topic is the extract, the lesson There is a Girl by the Track, written by Devan Fanal. The first question is, please help me to take her a hospital. This is a statement. Question number A. Who is the requesting here? Answer, Bhaleshwar Mishra. Question number B. Who should be taken to a hospital? Answer, Roma Talreja. C. Why should she be taken to a hospital? Answer, the girl was injured and she needed help. Second statement. I hope I am not too late. Question number A. Who was the I here? Answer, Bhaleshwar is the I here. Question number B. Why did he hope so? Answer, because he knew she was hurted badly and hoped the could he hear. Question number C. What did he do? Answer, he took her to near a hospital. Took a hospital. Statement 3. Take the girl to Airoli. Question number A. Who suggests it? The cop. Answer, who is the girl? Question number B. Answer, Roma Talreja. Question C. Who had taken her to Airoli? Answer, Bhaleshwar Mishra. Statement 4. He advised that she could be moved to a nearby hospital. Question number A. Who is the he? Answer, a doctor at the small hospital. Question number B. Who could he advise? Answer, Bhaleshwar Mishra. And question number C. Why could he not able to her? Why could not he admit her? Answer, because the hospital blocked personally and equipment.
Yes.
Equipment. Extract fifth one. There is a girl by the track. The voice cried out. Question number A. Who voice was that? Answer, passenger in the moving train. Question number B. What was the name of the girl? Answer is Roma Talreja. Question number C. How did she happen to lay that track? Answer, Roma was jammed between other women. She lost her balance, fall on that moving train. Extract 6 one. How I couldn't thank him. I couldn't thank him. Question number A. Who is I? Answer, I is referred to a Bhaleshwar Mishra. B. Who could not be thanked? Answer, the truck driver. C. What had been done? What he had done? Answer, he helped him to get Roma to a hospital. 7th one.
Yes.
I think it is an astonishing thing that a stranger jumped off a moving train and risked his life for me. Question number A. What happened to Bhaleshwar as soon as jumped for a moving train?
Yes. Good.
Answer, a burst of pain shot off his ankle. Question number B. How did Bhaleshwar help Roma? Answer, by admitting her to a hospital in a time. Question number C. What could have been happened if Bhaleshwar had not came to her help? Answer, she could have bled to death. 9th one. Behenji आप ठीक हो? Question number A. Who was the speaker? Bhaleshwar. Answer, Bhaleshwar.
Yes.
B. Who does Behenji refer to? Answer, Roma. C. Why was there no response? Answer, she was unconscious. 10th one. So why did he do it? Question number A. Who is he? Answer, Bhaleshwar. B1. What did he do? Answer, he risked his life to save her. C. Why did he do it? Answer, because Roma needed his help. 10th one. Please help me to take her hospital, but no one stopped. Question number A. Who is the speaker? Answer, Bhaleshwar is the speaker. B. Who does he refer to? Answer, Roma Talreja. C. Why did not they stop? Answer, they were to getting trapped
all of you look at the board.
There is a
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು, ತೆಗಿಯೋದು.
There is a girl by the track. The voice cried out. Question number A. Whose voice was that? Question number B. What was the name of a girl? Question number C. How did she
Speak and write. As all of you look at the board.
There is a girl by the track. The voice cried out. Question number. This is the extract. Very extract here. Question number A. Whose voice was that? Who will answer this one?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್. VOICES.
First one. Afsana.
Passengers in moving train.
The first one answer is passenger. Passenger in the moving train.
ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾರು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್.
Afsana.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳು.
Passenger in the moving train.
ಎಸ್.
Second one.
ಕೇಳು, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳು.
What was the name of a girl?
ಹಾ,
Sania. Roma Talreja. Again, answer is Roma Talreja.
ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
How did she happen to lay that track? Lakshmi.
Roma was jumped between the other women. She lost her balance and fell off the train.
Roma was jammed between the other women. She lost her balance falling on a train.
ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
Thank you.
Next. Of the door. Yes. All of you look at the board. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
My name is Lakshmi. I am studying in the 10th standard.
Listen.
Today my topic is discussed by the track in this lesson extract. extract is, please help me take her to a hospital. This is a statement. First one, question number A. Who is the requesting here? Requesting here the Baleshwar Mishra. Question number B. Who should be taken to hospital? Answer, Roma Kalveja. Question number C. Why should she be taken to a hospital? Answer, the girl was injured and she needed help. Extract number 2. I hope I am not too late. Question number A. Who was the I here? Answer, the I here is Baleshwar Mishra. Question number B. Why did he hope so? Answer, he knew she was hurt badly and hoped the could help her. Question number C. What did he do? Answer, he took her to a nearby the hospital. The
Yes.
statement 7. Take
Silence.
the girl to Airoli. Question number A. Who subjected it? Answer, the cab. Question number B. Who is the girl here? Answer, Roma Kalveja. Question number C. Who had taken her to Airoli? Answer, Baleshwar Mishra.
Yes.
Extract 4th one. He advised that she could be moved to a nearby the hospital. Question number A. Who is the he? Answer, the doctor at the small hospital. Question number B. To whom did he advise? Answer, Baleshwar. Question number C. Why could he not admit her? Answer, because the hospital lacked personnel and equipment.
Yes. Good.
Extract 5. Symptom. They serve girl by the tracks. The voice cried out. Question number A. Whose voice was that? Answer, passengers in the moving train. Question number B. What was the name of the girl? Answer, the name of the girl Roma Kalveja.
All of you listen.
Question number C. How did she happen to lay the tracks? Answer, Roma was jammed between the other women. She lost her balance and fell off the train. Extract 6.1. Oh, I could not thank him. Question number A. Who is the I? Answer, I refer to a Baleshwar Mishra. Question number B. Who could not he thank? Answer, the truck driver. Question number C. What had he done? Answer, he helped him to get Roma to a hospital. 7th one. I think it is the astonishing thing that a stranger jumped off a moving train and risked his life for me. Question number A. What happened to Baleshwar as soon as he jumped off a moving train? Answer, a burst of a pain shot up in ankle. Question number B. How did he help Baleshwar to Mishra? Answer, by admitting her to a hospital in time. Question number C. What would have happened if Baleshwar had not to her help? Answer, she would have bled to the death. Question number 8. 8 one extracts Behenji of the Khai. Question number A. Who is the speaker? The speaker was Baleshwar Mishra. Question number B. Who does Behenji refer to? The Behenji refer to a Roma Kalveja. Question number C. Why was there no response? Because she was unconscious. Question number 9. 9 one extract. So why did he do it? Statement. First one, question A. Who is the he? Answer, Baleshwar. Question number B. What did he do? Answer, he risked his life to save her. Question number C. Why did he do it? Because Roma needed his help. Extract 10th one. Please help me to take her to the hospital, but no one stopped. Question number A. Who is the speaker? Answer is Baleshwar Mishra, speaker. Question number B. Who does her refer to? Her refer to the Roma Kalveja. Why did not they stop? Answer is they feared getting trapped in the courts and with the police.
Yes. Fine. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒತ್ತಿ ಬರಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. Speak and write.
Why did he hope so? What did he do? Looking the extract answering the following question. I hope I am not too late. This is the statement. First one, question A. Who was the I here?
Yes. ಈ
Baleshwar.
ಕಡೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳು.
Question number B. Why did he hope so?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
Why did he hope so?
ಎಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ.
Because he knows she was hurt badly and hoped that could he hear help.
He knew. She was hurt badly and hoped the could help. Help her. Question number C. What did he do?
ನೋಡಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್.
What did he do?
ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ಯಾರಂತಾರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಮಯಗಳು? ಅಕ್ಷರ.
He took her to a nearby hospital.
ಎಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Took her to the hospital.
Only 6 questions and 1 explain.
Good afternoon to all. My name is
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಬರಲಿ, ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
my name is Masood Eligar. I am studying in 10th standard in SSNJ High School. Today I have taken topic there is a girl by the tracks written by Jaman Khanna. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that following.
ಎಸ್
The first extracts. Please help me take her to a hospital. Question A. Who is requesting her? Baleshwar Mishra. Question B. Who should be taken to hospital? Roma Talreja. Question C. Why should she be taken to hospital? Their girl was injured and she needed help. Second extract. I hope I am not too late. Question A. Who was the I here? Baleshwar Mishra. Question B. Why did he do so? Answer. He knew she was hurt badly and hoped they could help her. Question C. What did he do? He carried her to the roadside and shifted her to the nearby hospital. Take the girl to Airoli. Airoli. Question A. Who suggested it? The cap.
The COP, COP.
The cop. Question B. Who is the girl here? Answer. Roma Talreja. Question C. Who had taken her to Airoli? Baleshwar Mishra. Fourth extract. He advised that she should be moved nearby hospital. Question A. Who is he? Who is he? The doctor at the small hospital. Question B. To whom did he advise her? Answer. Baleshwar. Question C. Why could he not admit her? Answer. Because the hospital lacked personnel and equipment. Extract fifth one. There is a girl by the tracks. That voice cried out. Question A. Whose voice was that? Passengers in the main train. Question B. What was the name of the girl? Answer. Roma Talreja. Question C. How did she happen to lay the tracks? Answer. Roma was jammed between the other women. She lost her balance and fell off the train. Sixth extract. I couldn't thank him. Question A. Who is the refer I? Baleshwar Mishra.
Yes.
Question B. Who could not he thank him? Answer. Truck driver. Option C. What had he done? Answer. He helped him to get Roma to a hospital. Seventh extract. I think it is a astonished thing that a stronger jumped up a moving train and risked his life for me. Question A. What happened to Baleshwar as soon as jumped off a moving train? Answer. A burst of pain shot up in his ankle. Question B. How did Baleshwar help Roma? Answer. By admitting her to a hospital in the time. Question C. What would have happened in Baleshwar had not came to her help? Answer. She would have bled to death. Eighth extract. Please help me to take her to the hospital, but no one stopped her. Question A. What is who is the speaker? Answer. Baleshwar. B question. Who does her refer to? Roma Talreja. Question C. Why did not they stop? They feared getting trapped in the courts or with the police. Ninth extract. Behenji ab theek hai. Option A. Question A. Who is the speaker? Answer. Baleshwar Mishra. B question. Who does Behenji refer to? Roma Talreja. Question C. Why was there no response? Answer. She was unconscious due to the fall. Extract 10. 10th extract. So why did he do it? Question A. Who is the he? Answer. Baleshwar. Question B. What did he do? Answer. He risked his life to save her. Question C. Why did he do it? Answer. Because Roma needed his help. Look at the blackboard and
Speak and write.
sixth extract. Oh, I couldn't. Thank him. Who is?
Once again, clearly repeat question A. Speak and write.
Who is the I refer? Question B. Who could not? Who could not? He thanked him. hidden. Sixth extract. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Question A. Who is the I refer?
Yes. Raise your hands.
Abhi. Second question. Who could not he thank him? Rakesh. Yes, sir. Third question. What had he done? What had he done? Karthik.
He helped him to get Roma to a hospital.
Right.
Yes, very good. Dear students, listen here. Today, this class activity is there is a girl by the tracks. Extract questions. Read the following extracts. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು and answer the questions that follow. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದರ ರೀತಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. ಮಸೂದ್. Oh, I couldn't thank him. This is the statement. I couldn't thank him. In this lesson taken from dash, in this lesson, in this statement taken from dash lesson.
There is a girl by the track.
Once again repeat.
There is a girl by the
ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಈ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ? Lesson name is There is a girl by the tracks. First question, who is the I refer? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಐಗಷ್ಟೇ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಐ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು Yes. Third question is who couldn't he thank him? Who couldn't he thank him? Answer is truck driver. Then last question is what had he done? ಏನಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ? He helped him to get Roma to a hospital. Today, just on the dais, some of the students are very good performance about the topic. Extra questions. Yes, all of you. Thanks. Yes, next day continue.